Good morning, students. Okay, students, now see the first page of your book of the Floric Science class 7th. Okay, and now turn your page and see the contents of Unit 1 Food. First chapter, Nutrition in Plants, we had completed, and now today we are going to start, as I told you, Chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals. Okay. Listen it carefully. So, what is actually a nutrition? This we had studied in chapter 1 also, that the process of obtaining necessary food by an organism to grow healthy is called the nutrition. Last chapter was for plants and this chapter is for animals. Food is the source of energy for plants and animals. We all know that the plants can make their food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot make their food. Animals depends upon other living things, okay, for having their food. So the food eaten by animals is mostly consist of complex substances. Means these complex substances cannot be used directly. First of all, they have to break down. They have to be broken into simpler substances, okay, and the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion, which is a very important part of nutrition in animals. See, there are different ways of taking food in animals. We can say different ways, we can say different mode. Okay? So first thing is this, that mostly animals, lower animals, take the food by one thing more is there. When I talk about the lower animals, it means I am talking about amoeba. I am talking about paramecium. Okay, that they take their food by the help of tentacles, as observed in Hydra. Also, if I talk about amoeba and paramecium, that these kinds of animals take their food by engulfing it. Engulfing means in Hindi if I say किसी चीज़ को सोखना, निगलना, in that way, okay? So lower animals consume their food by engulfing it or by holding the food. And second thing, if I talk about animals just like leech, anthropods, means in this category butterflies, bees, insects and mosquitoes come. So how do they get their food? They get their food by the sucking, okay, means they have a special part in their mouth by the help of which they suck their food from other things or other animals. And when we talk of higher animals, means higher animals, we can take the example of human beings, cows, buffaloes, monkeys, that these all the animals have strong jaws and teeth, and by the help of these they break down those complex substances into simpler substances so that it can help them in their proper digestion. Understood? So this was the starting of the chapter. So read this page in a very proper way, and secondly you have to find out 3 questions from this page. Okay, thank you.